In this video, I'm going to show you how to self-host N8N so you can run automations like this AI agent without having to be worried about how many executions you're using or how many workflows you built out. Self-hosting N8N allows you to have unlimited executions and unlimited workflows. All you need is a domain name, and the best part, it's only going to cost you $6 a month. And I'm going to show you how to set up everything in the next 5 minutes so you can run your own N8N server and start automating. Okay, so you can go to the link in the description, and I'll put a link for DigitalOcean there. Click on that, go to their website, and you're just going to want to create a new account. So we can sign up with Google. I don't want to pick whatever details we have for this. I'll just select random stuff for this one. And once you're here, you're going to click on Explore Our Control Panel. Click on the top right-hand corner, click on My Account, and basically you're going to need to add some kind of payment details. So add payment method. I'm not going to show you guys my details, but just add your details in here, and I'll show you in a second what the next page will look like. Once you've added your own payment details, you're going to want to come down here and click on Marketplace. This is going to allow you to select whatever droplet you want to install. In this case, we're just going to search for N8N, or you can see it's right there too. Click N8N. Click Create N8N Droplet. This is now going to allow you to select the server that you want to use. I recommend select the server closest to you. That's going to give you the best connection towards it. And I just select the regular $6 a month. Scroll down, or you don't want to type in a password. And you're going to want to rename it if you'd like to. Call this N8N. And create droplet. And we can click on it, see this being created, and it looks like it's about to be done. There we go. Okay, so now we have the IPv4 address, and this is where we're going to need our own domain in order to host this, and so we can connect to it, which is pretty cool too, because that's kind of like your own website that you can type in the address to and see it. So you're going to want to go to whatever website you're using to host your domain currently. That'd be like GoDaddy, Porkbun, etc. I'm going to log into Porkbun. I'm going to go to Account, Domain Management. Scroll down and go to my DNS settings on this website. We're going to call this N8N, and we're going to put in the address right here and click Add. We're just going to come back to our droplet, click on Console. Okay, and it's connected. So now we need to install N8N. So we're going to type in the subdomain that we put in, which is just N8N. You could have put anything, but we did N8N. And your domain name, in this case, and then your email, and then you want to select the time zone. We're going to say yes. All right, there we go. I'm not in Canada currently, but I set it to a Canadian time zone, and you just go through by selecting the numbers, and it's then going to start creating and downloading all the information that it needs for the N8N server. This should only take maybe a minute, 2 minutes max. And there we go. The server is up and running. So now we just need to go to our domain. We can search it up right here. And this might come up initially. This is because we just created the website. Don't worry about it. Just click details and then click only visit if this is unsafe. And then we create our account. I'm going to do this quick. Okay, I enter my details. This is just a random email I got from a temp email. And it's then going to ask us some more details. Just select some random things here. And this part is really, really important. I'd definitely recommend if you're going to self-host N8N, you want to get the paid features for free, especially when you're building out workflows. It's really useful to have things like folders, or even the debugging is probably the most important one, where you can go back and review and edit old errors. So we're going to hit send me a free license key. And then we're going to want to come down, click on the 3 little dots here, click on settings, and click on enter activation key. And we're just going to wait for this email to come through. We got it right here. And we're just going to select this, come back, enter the key, activate, and there you go. You have N8N fully installed, self-hosted, ready to go. You can create workflows. You can run this as many times as you want. Something that's really cool here as well is that you can install custom code that allows you to run things like FFmpeg, which you can make automations to edit videos, delete different things, add text on screen, add music to videos, all kinds of stuff. So the possibilities really are endless when you're self-hosted. There's also community nodes that just came out, which makes it easier to add in new features and connect different platforms. So yeah, I'm going to keep making videos on N8N, and I'm going to show you guys some of the automations I've built. I've already built a bunch of them. We can do all kinds of different systems, and hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.